Hi students, welcome back. Now we are going to discuss section formula. If A vector and B vector, if A vector and B vector be the position vectors of points A and B respectively, and let C vector be the position vector of point capital C. That is, let A vector, B vector, C vector, 2 points A and B. Position vector of A is A vector and position vector of B is B vector, and there is a point C in between A and B. Position vector of point C is C vector. Okay. If C divides AB in the ratio m:n internally, then position vector of, if C divides AB in the ratio m:n internally, then position vector of capital C, that is C vector, is equal to MB vector plus NA vector divided by M plus N. And if C divides AB in the ratio capital C, that is C divides AB in the ratio m:n externally, then that is, and if C divides the vector joining A and B, that is AB vector, in the ratio m:n externally, then the position vector of C, position vector of capital C, that is C vector, equal to MB vector minus NA vector divided by M minus N. MB vector minus NA vector divided by M minus N. And if C is the midpoint of AB, if C is the midpoint of AB, then the position vector of capital C vector equals A vector plus B vector by 2. A vector plus B vector by 2. Now let us discuss direction cosines. Directional cosines. Directional cosines. If a line, if it is x-axis and y-axis, z-axis be the three mutually perpendicular lines intersecting at O, let OP vector be any line. OP, let P be AI, ABC or XI, Y, J, Z, K, etc. Here, OP vector makes an angle alpha with x-axis and beta with y-axis, and makes an angle gamma with z-axis. These angles are known as direction angles. Let alpha, beta and gamma be the angles made by A vector. OP vector equals AI plus BJ plus CK, AI plus BJ plus CK, with the axis OX, OY and OZ respectively. Then its direction cosines, these angles are known as direction angles and its cosine is known as direction cosines. cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma are known as direction cosines. And usually it is denoted by small letter L, M, N. L, M, N. The relation connecting direction cosines and direction ratios. Here direction ratios are numbers which are proportional to direction cosines, which are A, B, C are the directional ratios. Directional ratios. The relation connecting direction cosines and direction ratios are given by L is equal to plus or minus A by root of A square plus B square plus C square. M is equal to plus or minus B by root of A square plus B square plus C square, and N is equal to plus or minus C by root of A square plus B square plus C square, where the signs should be taken all positive or all negative. Okay. Now let us discuss some problem in our next module. Okay. Thank you all.